Welcome to this channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to link documents in Excel and Word. What do I mean? I have a table in Excel and I'm going to copy it. As I copy it and link it to the Excel, such that when I make changes in my Excel, they are automatically updated in the Word. Why do we need to do this? We need to do this to save time of working in Excel with figures, then copying them and pasting in Word, making changes. With time, you can even lose track and make mistakes. So this is an easy way of how we can achieve the linkage. So let's get started. We're going to copy this table. Now, this is my Excel, this is my Word. So I'm copying from Excel into my Word. So I go to Word, I go to paste. I see options for pasting here. There's this option which says keep formatting. There's this which says use designation styles. There's this one which says link and keep source formatting. That's what I want. So I click on that. There you go. So right now, my Excel table and my Word table, they are the same. They are linked and in sync. So when I make changes to my Excel, automatically they will be made in Word. So let's test this out. I want to observe the first item, the amount is 2,000. This is also 2,000. The total is 21,407. This is 21,407. So let's go and work in our Excel and we change this one to 20,000 like so. Automatically, my Word is also changed to 20,000. My total is 39,407, 39,407. Okay, that's great. Let me delete this one. And I change it to 40. Sometimes you have to click here for the update to come through. So it is 40, 40, 70, 70. Change this one to 100. There you go. This is 100. It has automatically changed here. 200. There you go. 200, 200. So I'm working in my Excel and my Word is automatically generated. My Word is automatically updated. This way you can save time, you can be more efficient as you do your work. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Have a great day.